Hey everyone, welcome to the Willa channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Steam error 50. Go to search, type run, then %10%, click OK. The temp folder opens, press Ctrl+A and delete all files. Another way, go to run, type temp without %, click OK, then continue to delete. That's it. Next, go to Internet Settings. Start Settings, Network and Internet. Change adapter options. Right-click on your active internet connection, Properties, IPv4, use custom DNS settings. Enter 8.8.8.8. Click OK. Then add Steam properties. Find Steam shortcut, Properties, Compatibility. Check these two boxes. Also write this. Then launch Properties. Login and no React login. Should be 2 entries. Now go to File Location, write the same thing. I'll show you commands to enter in order. Type ipconfig/flushdns in command prompt. Remove and reinstall Steam. This is Willer. Hope it helped. Bye everyone.